break away from that notion that to be a good designer, you have to come up with something that is 100% original. That's a mistake. Learn from what has come before. It's solid wood. It's an ancient material. All the basic forms really have been explored to some degree. My name is Caleb James. I'm a chairmaker. I spend most of my time writing and talking about chairmaking, teaching chairmaking, and making a lot of chairs. In some ways, I do think of myself as a traditionalist, but not stuck in the past. The more you explore chairmaking, the more you're going to want to probably include these organic flowing shapes. So I'm going to demystify this process. One thing about becoming a good designer is study good design. In the process of you exploring those designs, you're going to put your fingerprint on it.